Hello all. In this video we see the introduction to phospholipid synthesis. Phospholipids are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum and the mitochondria via the Kennedy pathway, which involves the stepwise addition of fatty acids to glycerol 3-phosphate to form phosphatidic acid. Phosphatidic acid is then converted into diacylglycerol, which combines with choline or ethanolamine to form phosphatidyl choline or phosphatidyl ethanolamine. Synthesis of phospholipid is critical for cellular growth and membrane biogenesis. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.